Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the Ultimate Creative Commons Search extension in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome Web Store and search for CC++ extensions and add it to the Chrome. After adding it to Chrome, just go to your extensions and click on the extension. To use this extension, go to search bar and type CC and give it a space. Then enter any keyword image, pipette topic, or content you want to look up, and the extension will instantly show results that are licensed under Creative Commons. This makes it quick and easy to find images or content that are free and to reuse legally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.